What is that saying that they say? Oh, yeah, when life gives you lemons, you run to the Dollar Tree and you buy their lemon stuff and you make a wreath. Of course, why not? So let's grab some inexpensive Dollar Tree items and get started. The supplies I'm using is one large MDF circle I got on clearance from Dollar General, but if you don't have that, you can use the Dollar Tree pizza pan. I'm also using the Dollar Tree wood round and a lemon dish towel from the Dollar Tree as well. To begin this project, you want to paint the larger circle with black acrylic paint, or if you prefer spray painting, you can do that as well. Then I'm getting the wood round and I'm turning the dish towel upside down and placing the wood round on top. And I'm just rough cutting around the circle. Next, I applied hot glue all around that wood round, and then I'm flipping it around and attaching it to the dish towel. To make the dish towel wrap around the wood round more easily, I'm cutting slits on it, and then I'm applying hot glue and then wrapping that dish towel all around that wood round. Next, I'm joining the two pieces together by just using hot glue and gluing all around the outer edge of that circle. I grabbed a wooden letter M for my monogram wreath, but you can customize yours with whatever letter matches your last name or family name to make it personal and unique to your home. And I want to begin with apologizing because I lost a good bit of footage during this part of my project, but I still want to show you how everything came together. I wrapped nautical rope around the lemon circle, then I added a white peony in the center along with eucalyptus in the background, and I added some larkspur, white flowers, lemon slices, and lemons to give it a bright summer look. Next, I got a Dollar Tree wood frame and I mixed territorial beige and khaki paint. I applied it in small sections and then wiped it off to make it look like a stain. And all that's left to do is glue that frame down onto the lemon circle. And if you want to use this as an outdoor project, you'll want to use an E6000 or a Gorilla Glue, and make sure that you use some type of outdoor spray sealer to keep it from fading. Thank you so much for crafting along with me today. I hope this Dollar Tree lemon wreath gave you some fun and budget-friendly inspiration for your home decor. And if you enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment letting me know what summer craft you want me to do next. Thank you so much.